everybody, Jim King back out here in Independence. This is now a 10-pier project. Got our piers welded yesterday morning. Got the crew back out here. We poured half of the slab in Centerview yesterday. It looked beautiful, and so we couldn't get concrete for today, but we can tomorrow. So we're going to get these holes prepared for our King Pier. We're going to lift this footing back to its correct level elevation. Stay with us. I think this is the second or third video on this project. The drought runs deep. When we dig our holes, you can see cracks in the ground 6-7 feet deep. And in this case here, when I bid this job, it was on a Saturday, and it was just for the front porch. They couldn't open shut their front door because the stoop had went like this and pinched the bottom of the door. In just 3 days, on Wednesday, they texted me, and you got to remember, I set up my laser level on the inside. There was no cracks in the walls, but they texted me a picture on Wednesday, a horizontal crack running down this north wall. So I came back out here. So it went from a 3-pier job to a 10-pier job. Just like that, your footing can sink. So give us a call, 816-521-8915. You can always visit us on our website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.